The Galaxy Watch 4, y'all, has one main issue that honestly, y'all, I didn't even see this one coming, y'all, and it's starting to actually tank the entire watch experience for me, and that is the what up, squad? It's your boy CKid here, man, and I've had now the Galaxy Watch 4 here for about 5 months now, 151 days. Yeah, it's kind of crazy to say that out loud, but y'all, it's time, and we got a solid amount of stuff to actually talk about in this video. So if you know the drill by now, I want you to comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time you guys are watching, and let's go ahead and run this video up just like we did in the last one, man. 10K views in a day, baby. Let's go ahead and let's get it. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in, y'all. So the first issue that we have to talk about, and honestly, y'all, it's something that I personally did not see coming, and it's actually starting to taint the whole reputation of the watch for me, and that is the extreme decline that I've noticed in the battery department. Now, I'm not sure if this is a Wear OS thing or what, but I've noticed two things. Number one, when I actually charge the watch up, it seems to actually take longer now to charge than it did before, because when I actually first got this watch, right, I would just put it on the charger for just like a couple minutes and I would easily get a decent amount of charge, just kind of go on with my day, right? And then number two, I've noticed a slight decline as well when it comes to the charge. Now, I know some of you guys out there said that the Facer app for watch faces that I use drains the battery a whole lot. So I went ahead and did a little experiment where I actually used this watch right here and I just used the stock watch faces that comes on it, and I still noticed the same results. Again, I'm still getting a decent amount of battery life when it comes to this watch, but it's something that I want to mention to you guys when it comes to the battery department. Now, the next thing that we got to talk about, right, is how well has this watch held up since I've had it, right? Now, I gotta say, since I've had this watch right here, the first thing that I did was I put a screen protector on it from the SamsungNest.com, which I highly recommend y'all do that for sure. Now, I'll have links for you guys to check out down in the description section below, as well as in the comment section. Trust me, y'all, you don't want to let me catch y'all out here using no protection on your watch. You know the slogan, no glove, no love, baby. Practice safe, you know. Practice safe Galaxy watch wearing. But looking at the watch, man, I've only really dropped it literally only once since I've had it, and it's held up pretty good. Now, I'm the type of person who really always takes good care of my tech products, and on my watch here, I don't really have any like major scratches or anything like that. So in that department, y'all, it's all good in the neighborhood, people. Now, one thing that I've noticed with the design of this watch when it comes to the watch bands in itself, and I did a video showing you guys all of the watch bands that I've picked up here, it seems to actually catch a lot of dust inside of the inside area of the watch band that really gets on my nerves, and it keeps me just cleaning that area constantly. Now, to some, this may not be that big of a deal or anything like that, but to me, it's a pretty big deal. Now, when it comes to the software, right, and how well that's held up, man, I gotta say, y'all, Samsung legit did their thing with this watch. From a user experience, y'all, this is by far the best smartwatch that I've personally ever owned, and that's coming from somebody who also rocks Apple Watches as well. Now, to me, y'all, the screen actually looks really good. The navigation when getting to menus, the applications is fluent and it's just smooth. It's just overall just definitely in the running as one of the best smartwatches in the game right now. Now, I must say, one issue I did have when I first got this watch was on the display when it comes to the scrolling feature. Now, it was kind of clunky in the beginning, and I gotta say, y'all, it's something that I hated, but after that first initial update that they did, it literally fixed it right away, and now it's all good. Now, I like how easily it counts my steps, my calories, tracks my sleeping habits, getting my body information like my blood oxygen percentages. It's legit, y'all, everything that you could have asked for when it comes to a smartwatch. And I'm not just saying that, y'all. It's very accurate, and it just makes me want to just go out and just be more active throughout my day to just kind of see these numbers go up. You know, we got to get our numbers up out here. Now, another thing that I must say that I love about this watch, y'all, is the endless selection of watch faces that you guys can get on this watch that changes the look of it just daily. Now, again, I use Facer for my watch faces, but even if you use the default ones that comes with this watch, those are just still flyer than any of the other options coming from something like the Apple Watch, which is something else that gives it the edge for me, because you don't really get all of these like dope things and customizations that you can do on this watch that you can't do on something like the Apple Watch. Now, y'all know this next thing I was going to talk about, and we've kind of been avoiding it this entire video, and that is the fact that Samsung or Google hasn't given us the native Google Assistant on the Galaxy Watch 4 or the Watch 4 Classic. Now, I did an entire video, y'all, talking about this and how you actually can get it on your watch, and I'll have that link for you guys in the description below. But Samsung legit, there's really no excuse why Google Assistant shouldn't have been on this watch native from day one. And I'll keep saying that because Samsung, I'm gonna be honest, y'all ain't getting a pass on this one out here. There's no excuse for them not giving us that feature from Jump Street. Now, overall, y'all, to me, the Galaxy Watch 4, even with the issues or the critiques that I've given it in this video, I gotta say it's still the best and my favorite smartwatch of 2021 and 2022 so far. Now, right now, y'all, I don't see any other smartwatches out here, whether it's the Fossil smartwatch or Apple smartwatch. I still rank this watch here king of the smartwatches for me right now if you guys are an Android user. Now, I'll still say if you guys own an iPhone, I still recommend the Apple Watch. It's still the way to go for you for sure, but that is only because of this last issue that I got with this watch, and that is the fact that Samsung literally removed the option for iPhone users to not be able to use the Galaxy Watch 4 on it. So say what you guys will about me in the comments, but I still do not like the fact or that move, because I was ready to go circular watch over the square watch because it just looks that much better. So there you guys have it, man. The Galaxy Watch 4 is the go-to in 2022 right now. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Galaxy Watch 4, the floodgates is open cause it's time to explore. I'm knocking down all these doors that you trying to restore. Well, what's that you saying? You want me to show and tell more? Well, okay. The Galaxy Watch 4, the floodgates is open cause it's time to explore. I'm knocking down all these doors that you trying to restore. Well, what's that you're saying? You want me to show and tell more? Well, okay. The watch is amazing to me. Look at it, don't you agree? The head turning 30 degrees. I'm carefree, I'm here, no biggie, giving you all the style and grace. Change the watch face, peep the swag, I walk the slow pace. I walk the slow pace. Battery's good, no cap. Vipers always snakes, cause I ain't here to give you no doubt. The slinging tech wraps on wristwatch, check the whole map. It's smooth like butter, I answer calls from a quick tap. See, now what you saying? I'm speaking out just on beat. This watch is sleek like sleek, I'm gliding in the next week. 2 versions here, but one will have to take a back seat. Let's get into this video so I can give the fact sheet. Squad.